So now that we actually have the data for the joke, what we are going to do is inside the homepage, we're going to store this data so we can start presenting it inside the UI. Now, we're just going to make it simple this lesson. The next lesson will make it more complex. So first of all, let's just go in here and make a local variable and just call it joke. That's going to be the name of the joke that we want to. Let's actually call it local joke, because that's just to make them different names here to make it easier for you to understand what's going on here. Now the joke, local joke, is going to be the type of a joke, right? So here we have a joke now that's called local joke. So again, the name, colon, type, right? Just like here, the name, colon, type. So we have a local joke. Now, when we got the joke, we console logged it right now, but instead what we're going to do when we're getting a joke is we're just going to set it to the local joke. And to call something inside the class, you always have to put in the this keyword in front of it. So what we're doing now is we're saying, when you're done getting the joke data for me, convert it into a joke object. That joke object, you're going to set that inside my local joke object right here, because now my HTML can start using it. So what we're going to do right now, very simple, we're going to go into the content and we're just going to present the information of the joke we just got. Not all the information, all I want to present right now is actually just the value of the joke. So let's try and do that. And you can do this very, very simply. You can add an let's just add an H4 tag right here. Now you've seen the curly brackets a few times in my videos. What are they about? Well, actually adding curly brackets like this, I can start using inside the curly brackets, double curly brackets, double curly brackets. In here I can start using the data from the TypeScript file. And the data I want to use from my TypeScript file is going to be my local joke. It even helps me figuring out the local joke is there. I can do a dot and I can say I just want to show the value of the local joke. Let's see if it works. So going back to my beautiful app right here, I get an error. I cannot do value of undefined. Now the problem is that right now I didn't click the button, so this guy will be null, right? The local joke is nothing because I haven't pressed my get joke button yet. Now I could say I just want to go and grab a joke as soon as the homepage is actually launched. I don't want to do that. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a small question mark right here saying, and this is magic, it's saying if the local joke is something, then grab the value. If the local joke is not something, just ignore this right here. So I'm saving this and now you'll see I'm not getting an error anymore and I can actually press this guy and get my joke. Chuck Norris once pulled out a single hair from his beard and skewered 3 men through the heart with it. Get a random joke. Hey, did Santa's reindeer learn how to fly? Chuck Norris ordered them to damn well better learn how. Right, so now it works. We just made a Chuck Norris random joke generator phone app. You gotta love it. You gotta love how simple that is. Now we'll just try and style this a bit in the next lesson and then we'll kind of just move on with some other stuff. See you next time.